This is a tutorial for using Teams and signing on to Teams through Classlink. Find Microsoft 365 on your Classlink and click on it, and then click on Microsoft Teams. To sign on to Microsoft 365, you'll put in your lunch number at fcstu.org, and then you'll enter your birth date for your password just like you do on Classlink. Next, you're going to find your team. You may have a lot of teams on this page, and that's okay. Look for the one with your teacher's name in it. It's kind of hidden in all these letters and numbers, so look closely. When you open Teams, you'll see on the left-hand side a navigation bar. Where it says Teams, that's where you can click and see all of your teams that you belong to. Assignments is a quick way to look at all the assignments due for all the teams that you're in. And then your calendar shows you due dates and important events. At the top of the screen, you'll see an action ribbon. When you open into Teams, it opens into the post section, and that's where the teacher can communicate with everyone and where students can communicate with the teachers and with other students if the teacher has that option turned on. Files is where you can find all of your saved documents and where you can find documents that the teacher has sent out to students. The class notebook may or may not be turned on, but that is the location where you can work collaboratively with other students in the classroom and where you have a private notebook with just you and your teacher. Assignments is where you'll go to see what the teachers assigned you to work on, where you'll look at due dates, and where you will actually turn in your work. It's really important to note that anything you put in your teams can be seen by your teacher, and a lot of it can be seen by other classmates as well. So it is your responsibility to practice good digital citizenship.